everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great weekend. It's Sunday, so it's back to work. All right. We have a lot of information to go over. Um, Most importantly, the Dow. All right. We've been talking about the Dow, guys. Thought things would reverse a bit, but guess what? All right. Dow was up on Friday. All right. So here is the all time high. Here is where the Dow made the all time high right here, broke through, big candle here, right here, broke resistance and continuing to move higher. All right. So that's great news for the Dow. NASDAQ. All right. NASDAQ. Almost the same thing here. Buy signal here on the NASDAQ. Um, as far as the NASDAQ, guys, we got to get all-time highs is right here. So we got to get buy signal was here, broke resistance right here. All right. Heading towards the all-time highs right here. All right. That's on the NASDAQ. S&P. S&P is right here. Broke resistance right here. This on the weekly time frame now. And then here we are moving higher past the all-time highs on the S&P. So in all-time high territory on the S&P and on the Dow. The Russell, all right, still consolidating between support and resistance. All right. The dollar, right, holding right here, right? White candles here. Yen, pound yen, guys. Keep an eye on pound yen. I know we close a lot of those long positions for tons of pips, but guess what? We might break resistance here and move higher. All right. So big picture, the equity market surprisingly is still intact. So Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, and Russell. As far as the daily time frame, same thing here. So the Dow daily time frame right here looking to break through resistance. Buy signal all the way down here. All right. So we might see another move higher um, in the Dow and in these indexes. The S&P right here, S&P buy signal here moving up nicely. I wouldn't be surprised though if we get a pullback. Would not be surprised if we got a pullback. All right. On the Nasdaq very strong right here. All right, breaking resistance here. All right. One second here. Make a note. All right. Russell is cut between support and resistance. Purple support and resistance line. All right. So that's a concern for the Russell right here. We just need to break through resistance right here on the Russell. All right. Buy signal here, sell signal. Buy signal here, sell signal. Currently have a sell signal in the Russell. If it breaks through that resistance, we could get a buy signal again in the Russell. All right. All right. The VIX is at 13. Okay. So the VIX is at 13. So we have low volatility. Still low. It was below. It was around 12. So anything under 20 is good. So right now at 13, very low volatility. So that is a great environment for stocks. All right. Bitcoin. I want to show you guys what's going on here with Bitcoin. We got a sell signal in Bitcoin. Hold on. We'll do it here. All right. So Bitcoin gave a sell signal. So our crypto traders, just be aware that cryptos will follow. Bitcoin will follow. Hold on. Trying to do two things at once here. Okay. All right. So here is Bitcoin. And remember that Bitcoin can work as a barometer for the entire crypto market. So if when Bitcoin is bullish, right, you'll notice that the other cryptocurrencies are bullish. All right. When Bitcoin is bearish, all right. Hey Anthony, welcome, Anthony, welcome. All right. When Bitcoin is bearish, guys, all right, you'll notice that right the majority of the your cryptocurrencies are bearish. So right now we have a sell signal on Bitcoin. All right. The buy signal came in at 28,000 right here. All right. Let's remove some of this. All right. So this is important to know. Buy signal came in at 20,000, 28,914, the most recent buy signal. And that came in on, no, this on the daily time frame. Okay. On 10/16. All right. So October the 16th. And we just got a sell signal. All right. On, what's that? January the 19th. We got a sell signal. Okay. So we need last week. So we need to out. All right. Hey Saga, welcome, Saga. We need to be out of Bitcoins now. I know, some traders trade Bitcoin, hold on forever. Right. That's your prerogative. But based on how we do things here, right, on the daily time frame, Bitcoin has a sell signal. All right. So buy signal here was at 28 again, 28, right around 28, 500, 600 or so. Sell signal came in at 40,582. So we are out of Bitcoin. Okay. And just remember, um, the other cryptocurrencies will follow what Bitcoin does. All right. All right. Let's take a look at current positions. Current positions in Forex in Monster Scalper. All right, current positions in Monster Scalper. All right, USD HUF. Let's take a quick look at the dollar index here. Also, the dollar index, guys, we're still waiting for a buy signal right here. Okay. So we're still holding. The dollar index is holding right here. We just need another buy signal like here. Okay. To really see the dollar pairs move. All right. So just keep that in mind. So USD HUF. So that's the dollar HUF. All right. A buy signal here, moving up nicely. First target right here. USD HUF. Pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand. All right. Buy signal here. Getting ready to break resistance. So if it breaks resistance, we should see new buyers enter. Okay. All right. So here we are looking to break through resistance here. All right. All right. So if anyone is in it, just continue to hold it. All right. Purpose support and resistance here, but that should not be a concern there. All right. Pound. I'm sorry. That's pound New Zealand, Swiss yen. All right. Swiss yen. We've got a buy signal here on Swiss yen. All right. So let's draw it out. Now, you guys should notice we've closed a lot of those long positions. All right. Lot. All right, so here's your markdown phase. All right, and this is Swiss yen. Now, hopefully, we can get another move in the yen pairs. So we'll see what happens there. Okay. All right, so here's your buy signal right here, breaking resistance right here. Here's current price action. Okay. Previous trade, this trade did really well. This one took a small loss here. Hopefully, we can get another breakout. All right. In the yen pairs, this is yen Swiss. We do finally have some shorts. Okay, so we do have some shorts. right. So we have some shorts going in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right. So EUR, JPY. Now this is a yen pair. All right. So EUR, JPY. We have sell short signal here. Hey, Solomon, welcome. All right. Green candle, white candles coming in. So close this trade. All right. So buyers are coming in, not heavy, but close this short. All right. So Euro, yen, close that short, please. Euro, Aussie. All right. Euro, Aussie. Um, might get lucky here. All right, we had white candles, but look here, we have a big red candle, so we'll hold on to that for now. Target is right here. All right, that is Euro, Aussie, USD, and okay. All right, sell short signal right here. We have red candle right here. All right, so that red, that's a not a concern, I would say. Right, it's not a white candle or green candle. Boy, I tell you, with looking at what the futures might do here with the dollar index, that dollar pair might move higher. So I would say go ahead and close it. All right, go ahead and close that. USD and okay. Okay, the dollar really, we get a buy signal on that dollar, right? USD and okay could really make a move higher there. So close that trade there. We were hoping that the USD NOK and look at EUR NOK, all right, would make a move lower. And so the NOK pairs, right, Norwegian krone could make a move lower. All right, but this dollar USD NOK, right, that could make a move higher because of the dollar index. All right, and the dollar pair. So we'll leave EUR NOK. All right, this one is working well. USD NOK. All right, you might want to close that trade. Okay. No, we don't have good follow through with forex right now. Okay, so um, we are consolidating. Hopefully things open up. So just be careful. Be very conservative. All right, you guys know we just came out of a great um, rotation. So give forex a little break to get things going again. Forex dominator. Let's take a look at those current positions. All right, EURTRY buy signal is here. It's still holding, guys. Still trading right near resistance. Right, we just needed to continue to move higher. Perhaps we can get a big break if we move this down right here. Right, break through that resistance and move higher. EURTRY, USD TRY keeps moving up slowly. All right, so good job there. EURCZK, all right, buy signal here that's holding. Keep an eye on this one. Okay, all right, purple support and resistance here. If anyone is in it, just keep an eye on it. It's on the daily time frame. Pound New Zealand moving up nicely. Buy signal here, a decent markdown phase. All right, here's your V moving up nicely. Target is here. Pound PLN, GBP PLN, same thing. All right, buy signal here, good markdown phase, moving up nicely. All green candles, nothing to do there. So pound pairs are looking good. Pound SGD, all right, buy signal here, that's holding all green candles here. Nothing to do. Keep an eye, purple support and resistance. So it might come under some pressure, but just nothing to do there. USD CZK, all right, long, all right, so dollar long, buy signal here, holding, moving up nicely. You got higher lows in here. All right, so we need to break through that resistance and get to this target here. If it can break through that resistance here, then we've got second target all the way up here. Now, this is on the daily time frame, so these pairs will move on the daily time frame. if we get a move. All right, CAD yen. CAD yen buy signal here, setting up nicely, guys, for a break. All right, of resistance. Sellers are here, right here, right here, right, holding here. We just need a nice push higher, break through that resistance to continue the trade. All right, all right. Futures, we do have some future trades. Let's take a look at those. In monster futures. All right, hold on. So this is lean hog. So this is a new trade. All right, let's bring down, let's see here. So here's your markdown phase. All right, mark up. All right, here's your buy signal here. Here's your first target here. All right, so lean hog in monster futures right here. Feeder cattle. Feeder cattle, guys, looks good. All right. Feeder cattle buy signal is here. All right. We might have to rotate this one out. Okay. I think this was October, so we need to rotate that out. Okay. But feeder cattle looks good. Live cattle. Live cattle. Not a good trade there. All right. So lean hog, feeder cattle, and live cattle all moving higher. All right. Nice markdown phase. Look at this. Great markdown phase here. Good selling. All right. Markup. All right. Buy signal was right here, moving up nicely. First target is right here. Remember, these are on the daily time frame. All right. So daily time frame right here. Your S&P. S&P still looks good. All right. So S&P, E-mini, S&P, buy signal here, moving up nicely. This is a great trade, guys. Great trade going here on the S&P. Now, we are watching crude oil. We're watching crude oil for a buy signal. It did gap up this evening. We're not in it yet. I haven't called it yet, okay? So just waiting on it. Once we get a buy signal, we'll send that out to our traders, okay? But it's holding now. Good markdown phase. All we need is a buy signal. That should come in soon. In crude oil. Crude oil. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at current positions. Current positions in stocks, in stock boss. All right. So current positions. You guys know we've trimmed positions quite a bit. All right. Let's take a quick look at stock boss. Heat seeker for stock boss. Let's see. All right, 35. So we're getting more stocks in stock boss. Bull master, let's see, 45. All right, so not a lot, but I think we were running what, 20, 25 or so. So a little improvement. All right, so we're gonna go through these stocks. We'll start with stock boss. As always, white candle. If it's got a white candle, all right, we can hold it. Red candle, close the trade. All right, white sell signals like the one here will close the trade. All right, so NGM buy signal was right here at what's that, 92 cents, trading right now at 149. Good trade going. Buyers are holding it right here. All green candles, nothing to do there. All right. RNA. RNA buy signal was here, all right, at 768, trading at 1204. Good trade going. Target is right here, which is around 22 and change. So good trade going there. All right. All right. AMRN. All right. Buy signal, guys. Look at this trade. Buy signal was at 84 cents, trading at closed on Friday, 132. All right. Our target, it looks like it should break the resistance here. Next target all the way up here. So great trade going there. AMRN. All right. This one is holding. All right. This one is holding HCAT. Good gap up on Friday. That's holding. NKTX. All right. Broke through first resistance. Look at this trade, guys. Nice trade going here. Buy signal was at $2, right at $2. Closed on Friday at $9. Right. Great risk reward. Right, if it can break through this resistance, right, next target all the way up here, 16 from $2, guys. All right, so great trade going here. All green candles, right? No white candles, nothing to do. Just hold on to the trade. This one looks good, Ryan. RYAM. Okay. This one is holding ADV. Let's see where the target is on this one here. All right, almost reached its first target here. All right, and if it breaks that, looks like it, right? It might break that resistance here. The next resistance is all the way up here. All right, good trade going here. All right, all the way up here. Okay. All right, that's holding, holding. And UVB. All right, buy signal is here, guys. Here is your resistance. Looks like it could get past resistance, especially if we have an update tomorrow. All right, so next resistance is up here. All right, good risk reward. All right, look at that, all the way up here. Clear skies ahead. All right, if we can get past this area here, right here, and then this area here. Let's bring this down right about in here. Okay. All right. NUVB. All right. This is holding. That's holding. So most of these stocks that's left, they're holding so far. All right. QD holding white candles. Just keep an eye on it. MCW moving up nicely. All right, this one here, buy signal was at 631, trading at 895 on Friday. All right, looks good to get past resistance here, at least get to it. Okay, next target all the way up here. All right, MCW. All right, MCW. Okay, all right. All right, UP closed, guys. So if anyone is in UP, close that. All right, so up. Buy signal was here. I think we got in about right over in this area here. All right, white candle, sell signal, close the trade, please. Okay, so UP, close the trade. All right, this is holding. ATA. OMER, white candles there. Keep an eye on it. This is holding. This one break. UIS still looks good. All right, so UIS, guys, great trade going here. Buy signal was at 380, right at 380. Closed on Friday at 722. All right, if we can get past this resistance here, which is about $9, right? $9 here. Next target, $13. But just focus on this target right here so far. Okay, UIS, great trade going there. Okay. All right. Holding. SGHT, white candles here, broke support, holding that trend line. So we do need buyers to come back in. All right. If anyone is in it, keep an eye on it. All right. We don't want any red candles. You get a red candle, close the trade. Okay. It's in slight profit right now. All right. HYLN, that's holding. So only one we had to remove in stock boss. Okay. So not bad. All right. Market is struggling to hold. We're still in the markup phase in the market overall. Okay, let's take a look at Bullmaster. Now, Bullmaster is a large cap stock, so we can expect those to perform a little better. All right. All right, so CTLT, all right. Buy signal here. This one is breaking resistance. Next target all the way up here. Okay. S, great trade going here, guys. The buy signal was on right at around 17.93, trading at $26, holding right here. Next target after that, all the way up here to 43. All right, but just focus on where you are right now. All right. All right, that's holding. Holding, good price action, good markdown phase. Look at that. Markdown phase. Here's your V. Buy signal here. All right. Buy signal here at 42. All right. Good one for call options, right? Perhaps some lips on these. Trading at 52 on Friday. Good price action. Look at that price hugging that trend line, moving up nicely. That's what we want to see there. E and V. All right. Same here. ST and E, buy signal all the way over here. 11 and change, trading at 18 on Friday. Price action, hugging that trend line. Purple support and resistance, just keep an eye on that. Okay. Purple support and resistance. But all green candles, nothing to do there. ST and E. All right. This is holding. This one is breaking resistance. All right. Holding. All right. DX, good price action, a bit of a pullback. All right. We have sellers are sitting here. All right. Sellers are right here. We do have a purple support and resistance. So it might be overbought, but hey, just trade it as is. All right. Hey, Lewis, welcome, Lewis, welcome. All right. This one here, ESTA. All right. Good markdown phase. Buy signal here. Moving up nicely. Green candles there. Nothing to do. All right. DV moving up nicely. We have resistance here. All right. If it breaks to that resistance, we don't have any resistance on the daily time frame, so it could move higher. Okay. All right. X-ray. X-ray. All right. Buy signal here. White candles. Keep an eye on it. Holding. That's holding. OGN holding nicely there. Same for OFIX holding. Same for XPRO holding. That's what we like. TEX, right? Hitch resistance on Friday. We need that to hold and possibly break through. LITE, right? Broke through that resistance on Friday. Pull back a bit. All right. We need buyers to continue, hopefully push higher, break through that resistance. AMD broke through that resistance, moving higher. All right. So good trade going here. I know this one is a bit expensive. for our taste, but 111 was the buy signal trading at 177, right? Good one for calls. ARHS, that's holding. ILMN holding nicely, all right? That's breaking out. And MISK broke resistance, a bit of a pullback. Let's see if we have, I don't think we have a target. Yeah. All right. So not a bad trade here. Look here. All right. Good example here. All right. Markdown phase. Buyers came in, hit resistance here. Sellers came in. All right. Buyers came in, hit resistance right here. So that 110 mark is that's a critical area, right? Markdown phase. Here, buyers came in again. Here's your buy signal. And here we are right here. So I would definitely, if anyone is in this, keep an eye on what's going on right here. All right. Wouldn't be a bad idea to take some profits because you know sellers are here. They've knocked that price down several times, right? So I would keep a close eye on it. You get a white candle like it did here and here, you definitely might want to get out, close the trade. Okay. All right. So MKSI. All right. All right. Let's take a look at US 30 and then we'll be done. Now we've moved the US 30 to the hourly time frame, right? We thought that it would break out, the US 30 would break out like the others, right? Like the NAS and the S&P, but it did not. So we've moved it. We do have a buy signal in place on the 60-minute time frame. All right, where is it? Right here. Okay, so we've moved it. Here is your daily, and it's just holding here. But that's concerning because here it is right here, and purple support and resistance, and you know it had a nice long trade here on the daily, so we could see sellers come in, right? So, you know, just hold firm, but just know that we could get selling to come in. Okay. So we've moved it from the 240. Let's hold on. Let's do this. Let's put it back on the 240 just to show you guys what's going on here. And then we'll be done. All right. So here it is on the 240. All right. Here's the buy signal here. But we are just holding right here, purple support and resistance. So if it breaks down on that 240, that's a big move. Okay, so we want to make sure we protect ourselves. So we're gonna move it. We've moved it to a 60-minute time frame. Okay, it's not holding. So here's the 60-minute, right? We're gonna trade this buy signal right here. All right, we have a white candle. We do have right, an upward trend line. So hopefully, right, this current candle right here, hopefully, right, we can get buyers to come in. All right, anywhere in here, we needed to hold this triangle right here and buyers to come in and continue to move higher. However, you get a red candle, go ahead and just close the trade. Okay. All right, because I mean, you have to understand it's back in this consolidation area here. So that is a concern, right? Trading between resistance and support, right? We really needed this buy signal here. We needed price to hold up in this area here. We are back below resistance. Here is support. So that's not good. That's why we've moved it to the 60-minute. Okay. So just be careful. The NAS, all right, here is the NAS 100 here. All right, this is on the 240. We've left it on the 240. We've also, for now, left the S&P under 240 for now also. Okay. All right. So our e-mini traders, especially our US 30 traders, be very, very careful until we get a bounce. We got to get out of this um, range here. Okay. All right. Our monster scalper traders, Forex traders, our monster scalper traders, just be careful. You guys know we went through a nice rotation for tons of pips. That's why when we have those rotations, right, take those trades, so that so that you've made some money and you can wait patiently, right? So that you're not rushing the market, rushing your trades. We're consolidating here. All right. So if you notice here that all these pairs here are in red. All right. So I would say about 60% of the pairs are in red here. So Forex is consolidating. This is all we've got here. That's above 20. All right. And trying to trend. So, and even in the low 20s, they're not doing anything. You guys know they've got to get up in the high 20s to really start moving and giving buy signals. So we're consolidating. Unless things open up this week, just be careful trading. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. Okay. Um, we don't have a lot of direction right now, even with equities, right? We don't have a lot of follow through, a lot of great direction. So just be careful. Monster scalper, look. All right. That's it right here. Okay. We'll probably look. Let's see what we have as far as shorts. Um, we might see some short opportunities in the euro. So we have euro Aussie short, euro NOK short. Okay, but if we find some opportunities, all right, here we'll send those out. Let's look through this quickly. We don't have any, oh, they're all red here, but they're not great setups for shorts. EURNOK, we're already in that one. Nothing here. This one is choppy here. This is gone. Nothing here. Nothing here. EURCHF. Oh, let's see here. We might. I think we can call this one here. So here's your markup phase, and it's still near. Not a great setup, but it's a trade that you could trade. All right, and then let's bring in your target here. And then if it breaks support, it could go much lower here. All right. We've seen sellers in here. All right, so we'll call EURCHF short in monster scalper. All right, here's your sell short signal here, all red candles. So first target here, if it breaks through that support, okay, we could see it go lower. That's Euro CAD, Aussie CAD, Euro Aussie. Hold on. All right, we're in Euro Aussie already. Okay, so we'll add. All right, we'll add Euro Swiss, and we'll send those out to that alert out to our monster scalper trader. So we'll go ahead and add it here. So Euro Aussie, Euro NOK, and then Euro Swiss. But again, just be careful, guys. Trade lightly. We don't have a rotation currently. Okay. So just trade lightly. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey, we've got a new week. All right. So again, things are slow. So trade lightly. Protect your profits. All right. Protect your profits. All right. All right, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for coming. Take care. Bye-bye.